Hi everyone, this is the video demo of our Langfuse Kong plugin. Langfuse is an open source LLM engineering platform to log traces, eval prompt management matrices to debug and improve your LLM application. So key feature of Langfuse are logging and tracing, visualization, debugging, performance monitoring and integration. You can think of Langfuse as an Kibana. So here this is a Langfuse dashboard and let me open the sequence diagram. So basically how it operates is that our client API is going to send the API request to Kong API gateway. There it is going to intercept that request and is going to trigger the Langfuse Kong custom plugin. Then our Langfuse is going to redirect it to the LLM endpoint. As of now we have worked with OpenAI, but it can be configured to use any other API endpoints. And once that is done, it is going to send the response from the generated LLM. And once we get that LLM response, we are going to send or log those traces to our Langfuse dashboard, and simultaneously we are going to return the generated response to the user. So here we are going to set up how we are going to run the Langfuse, and this is our entire application. So here basically some of the configuration changes to run this Python based Langfuse plugin in our Kong. And what are the matrices? So here, right, as of now we have few configuration schema that we have to maintain. So we have to add the OpenAI key, OpenAI model which we are going to use. What is the Langfuse secret key, Langfuse public key and Langfuse host, declarative YML file, and all the form parameters that we can do. As of now we are using Python 3.11.4 and Langfuse version is 2.7.3 and Kong is 3.7.1 community version. This is how the Langfuse dashboard works. So let me make an API request with the help of Kong. So this is our application. So let me click on send, and here we are going to send in the message. We can send any message as you want, and let me click on send. Once we click on send, we are going to get this response by our Langfuse plugin. And now if I refresh this page, I am going to see that one more traces got added. What are the cost? So what is the token cost, total tokens, how many tokens got generated, all the matrices we are able to get, what are the different type of latencies, what is the OpenAI generation, which percentile it belongs to, and all those matrices we are going to get. We are also going to get the store analytics. Not only that, we are going to get the traces. So this is our last API endpoint that we hit. So if we can, this is our input and what output got generated. So all the traces were added here. We are also can rate or score it up, what are the sessions, what type of generations has happened. We can do all those matrices, and what are the models. So not only OpenAI, but it has a support to add a lot of model from Claude to Llama to Gemini. So all type of major LLM platforms are currently supported in Langfuse. Now let me open the Kong dashboard. So our Kong is running at localhost 8002, and as of now we have run it in DB-less mode. Now we are able to see our Docker file also. So here we are basically have a PostgreSDB, Kong and Langfuse server all running inside a container. So here in our Docker compose file, so we are just basically adding our Langfuse plugin that we have written, and we are simply sending it up into our Kong server, and we are putting it up and running it. Our Kong ports are running. We have also health check, and here we are calling the Langfuse, and we are adding some parameters to Langfuse to connect to the database so that our matrices are getting stored. And also we have a DB, and at the same time we have a Docker file. So in the Docker file we are getting all the matrices and what are the requirements that we need to run in order for us to run Langfuse. That's all for this video. Thank you.